In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Zoho Desk. It's important to remember that changing your password in Zoho Desk isn't something you'll do directly through the application itself. Instead, you'll manage this task through Zoho Accounts, which is the central hub for all your Zoho applications. So, let's dive right into the process and make sure you have all the guidance you need to update your password smoothly. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to accounts.zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Zoho account using your current credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the Zoho Accounts dashboard. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Zoho profile, including security settings. Next, head over to the Security section. It's usually listed in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you click on Security, you'll see several options related to your account's security, including password management. Here, you'll find the option to change your password. This is where we'll make the necessary updates. When you select the Change Password option, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial because it ensures that it's really you who is making these changes. After entering your current password, you'll need to type in your new password. Make sure that it's both strong and memorable. Typically, a strong password is a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and perhaps even special characters. You'll have to confirm this new password by entering it again in the provided field. This double entry process helps to guarantee that there aren't any misspellings or mistakes that could leave you locked out of your account later on. Once you've re-entered your new password, you can save the changes, and your password will be updated. It's also worth noting that when you change your password through Zoho Accounts, this update applies to all of your Zoho applications, not just Zoho Desk. This unified password system is convenient, but be mindful to remember any changes you make as it affects access to your other Zoho services as well. If you happen to be using any other Zoho application at the time, you can also access the Zoho Accounts page by clicking on My Profile, or a similar link, often found in the upper right corner of the app interface. Clicking on Zoho Account will redirect you to accounts.zoho.com, where you can carry out these changes just as easily. And there you have it. You've learned how to change your password in Zoho Desk through Zoho Accounts. This simple security update can help keep your information safe and ensure that your Zoho Desk experience remains secure. Thank you for watching, and remember to update your passwords regularly.